Madonna's big up on a nice clean self. Why Spice na there Jamaica a put in the work which they are Ghana a put in? I was asked that question, so I decided to do a video and express myself. This is just how me feel about the whole situation, and me just go voice my opinion. Is not facts. I'm just assuming. I no can tell me if you not think me right or where you no think me wrong with. It's just my opinion, you know. This is let me tell you, knowledge teaches wisdom, and when you pay attention and you look, you can draw your own assumption. That doesn't mean say it's facts. It's just normal life. um so let me just get right into it. I was asked why me think Spice now put in that work which I put a Ghana, a Jamaica. Let me tell you something. Spice was born in a Jamaica from humble beginning. She always said that. From homeless to greatness. That is our slogan. Me's a Spice fan. And I don't know, I years. Me meet her one time. Me support her buy her album. Her albums. Me buy our, what you call that now? Like our grassing or clothes. If me go look, me go find it in my jar. Me might go look for it and come put it right here. So me buy stuff, you know. So me do support her. But I was asked this question because, and I asked from one of my supporter because they know how much we love Spice. But they're not looking on the fact that Spice has done a lot, but a lot of people don't know and aware of it. Spice is the kind of person to me, and as I said, I'm just drawing my own assumptions. Spice is the kind of person to me that not gonna talk everything what she do. And because of the media now, it's just things start to show. You know, things start show up more. They do a little video because you have people out there who always say them not do nothing for them country. Spicers have our foundation. We should do things at Jamaica, and a lot of people are not grateful. And instead of them motivate and uplift not just Spice but overall, typical Jamaicans, they're quick to do this to their look if them look on Usain Bolt. I'm just saying, look on Spice, you and Blake. Look what they do to you and Blake on the internet because him go back, go run and all them someday. So it's not just Spice. Jamaicans people, a lot of them are not supporting of each other. Once they start to rise and they see that they are rising, they're gonna tear down. You do have people who support her because in time me support everybody who me see uplift themselves. Once me can go up on them video, watch it, give them a like. It's a part of supporting. So you can support people any way possible. There is ways to support people. So she's putting in the work, not just Jamaican, because you cannot please Jamaican people. They are very hard to please. And no matter what you do for them, it's like you never do nothing. Like all of them walk with Alzheimer's or dementia. Like when you put in the work, them blindside it like as if you never do nothing. Look what happened with Buju. Them look what Buju do since him come out, and look them not support him except for because him black or whatever, while them him feel that way, them own people them not support him. So it's just so like once you are elevate, it's like them coming like say they don't want to support you no more. So spread your wings. And to me, it better off what Spice is doing is God work. It's charity work. It's a part of God. And when you're doing things like that, you don't know. There's where you get a blessing. You really don't get a blessing from mankind. Mankind only they here to support you. But a lot of them are not supporting. Once they see her growing, they don't care. So she's spreading her wings, and look on how they're supporting her in Ghana. She's in her culture supporting the same people that we have the same complexions. That's just me and how me feel about that. she do a lot where a lot of I maybe don't see. Because I'm the kind of person, if me I go give somebody one rag and soap, me not have to come and do video for every single thing. But now the way all the life I run now, you better you do it. It better you do it when you give somebody something, you give it from God, but them same one turn around and say, oh, she never give me nothing. So that's why a lot of things are recording right now. People don't realize this is the norm. Social media is becoming your backyard, tenement yard, big yard, anyhow you want to call it. That is what social media is coming right now. It's been like that. Because people are so devious, vindictive, and they're so mean. And all because of these things combined together, it's best to record. You have people that say, why everything them have to put on the media? Them put it on it for sure proof. A lot of people record these things now to show proof. And it is the norm right now. So because you're stuck in our ways, it is such a big problem for for see people record things and put it. They have to do it. How you feel when you help somebody and them turn on and say you never do nothing for the country. Spice has invested a lot. Back to school, then trample her at Jamaica. I think the last back to school where she have down there, I think she was hurt. Them rush down upon her and hurt her, you know. So at the end of the day, it's not that she don't give back because it don't highlight it like that. People say she not do nothing. She not this, she not that. And I'm not just talking about Spice right now. I'm talking about look on enough of the people them. Even Shelly. If Shelly and go run a race and she come second, like as if the rest of people them will come first and not somebody else pitney them and them want to achieve too. Like we expect to take all of the gold medal them, and if we don't come first, if you and Blake want to go back at the next Olympic, I feel if he make it at the trials and he come dead last at Olympic, we shouldn't bash them. In doing time and don't tell him when him fi stop. So if all them time that when he used to come first, second and third and get a medal, and this time he make it to the finals and him can go and come last, for him fi end up even in the final, look how much people in the world who no have to stop things so small. Look how much people pitney enter the Olympics. Look at it. How many people pitney. Not think they want a medal too. Why are we so greedy? Look how we little. I understand, yes, we have to cheer for them. Cheer for them all when they come dead last. Because whole heap of other parents out there want to see them pitney come first. It's not just we. Our other countries want to see them strive. We're too selfish. Why we stay so? Eh? We no support. And me need for call on the own pan channel here. Some things some things will happen. We don't know. It hurts. You now get me go under Usain Bolt if he make a mistake and go bash him after him do 10 positive. We are human. We're entitled to make mistakes. We're not perfect. So why is it that you are tearing down somebody who has done 9 good things? And because them do one, or not tear them down. Oh no, come on now, man. You know have to do better. Spice they are gonna, she has spread her wings. Spread our wings, not just to Jamaica, because we're so ungrateful. Hey, me I tell you, me born and grow in Jamaica now, but Jamaicans are one of the most ungratefullest people on the planet. You can't please them. And when you check the internet, you watch and see if you see no other culture with that. You can tell me which other culture you see with it. I'm not saying other black people are not like that, but I'm saying other culture overall. Wanna see, then they on the internet I do them one another so. A Jamaica me come from. I don't them me born. Well, me come from my mother, but I don't them me born. But who for call on out like on own? The things them we are done, we need to break up our folly grounds. We are do too much now, and it not have to be like that. It don't. Support one another. Support one another. We can rise above certain things. Anyhow me see, anything when me see, when me need to call out, me I go call it out. And me done as drop it in the comment section, because some of the comments them on left in my comment section, me I go do topic on them too. And me thank you so much on the support. Big up on yourself. More blessings, more life, more prosperity to each and every one of you who tune in on this channel. Heart of love. I wanna tell me wanna think if wanna think me wrong. Yeah. But that is how me feel. And me express it. Spice has done a lot. Me go for me outfit when me buy Grassinor. So Grassinor top, and me have the bottom someplace there. But when I go look, I'm just showing you an example. Me support, and I not just them alone. When me see my Jamaican people, they must strive. Me can't support everybody. It's impossible. But I could have even for come and leave your thoughts and say you're doing good. You know? Me just show me support. Have a blessed day. God bless you too. It's a part of supporting. It's a part of showing gratitude. And say you appreciate that person. We not have to get up every day and tear down one another. But when you're wrong, we need to call you out for your wrongs. We not support it. We not support the wrongs. That no means say you tear down somebody. When you go there now and you talk things where you don't know about the person and them things, they not call up people name and then something there. That me not got interested in. If you're wrong, you're wrong. Call you out for your wrongs. But me now go assume something about Spice and then come say, you know, she shouldn't they are gonna do this, should they are Jamaica. For why? No. No, me now go do that. She fi spread her wings. She get whole heap of love there. Where a lot of people them now give she. Gush party there. Cause God is love. And she do God work. Charity is God work. Okay? Big up on yourself, Madonnas. Love you now. Bye-bye.